In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect your notes in Evernote on Windows. Evernote is a versatile and popular tool used by many for organizing thoughts, tasks, and information. However, sometimes our notes contain sensitive information that we want to keep safe from prying eyes. Adding a layer of encryption is a practical way to secure your content, and I'm here to guide you through that process. Let's start by opening Evernote on your Windows device and accessing the note you wish to protect. Once you have your note open, look carefully through the content and highlight the text that you want to secure. It could be anything from personal details to confidential tasks that require additional privacy. After you've highlighted the necessary text, you're just a simple right-click away from taking the next step. When you right-click on your highlighted text, a menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to choose the option that says Encrypt Selected Text. This is a key feature that allows you to add that essential layer of security. Now, it's time to set a passphrase. As you create this passphrase, remember that Evernote doesn't store it anywhere. This means you'll want to choose something memorable yet secure. Consider using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and even special characters to increase its strength. The uniqueness of your passphrase is your best line of defense here. For added convenience, Evernote gives you an option to check a box labeled Remember Passphrase Until I Quit. Evernote. If you're using a personal device and you consider it safe from unauthorized access, you might find this feature helpful, as it will save you from typing the passphrase repeatedly during your session. However, if you're on a shared or public computer, it's wise to leave this option unchecked. Once you're comfortable with your passphrase and settings, go ahead and click Encrypt. What you've done is effectively lock your selected text behind your chosen passphrase, meaning only those with the passphrase can view the secure content. When you need to access your encrypted text, simply click on it. Evernote will prompt you to enter the passphrase you set up earlier. It's as straightforward as that. Enter the passphrase, and your encrypted content will be revealed, ready for you to read or edit as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to password protect your notes in Evernote on Windows. With these steps, your sensitive information should stay more secure, giving you peace of mind as you use Evernote to its fullest potential. Remember, keeping your passphrase safe and secure is as crucial as encrypting the text itself, so keep it memorable, secure, and personal. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!